Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, this is Living with Lacey and my name is Lacey. I am so happy to have you here with me today. So as you can see, it's that time of month where that little black and white box shows up on my doorstep. This is the July intention box from Cloth and Paper. It is all about reading and annotating. I think a few days ago, if you didn't see it, I showed you a few sneak peeks as well as a flip through in my CP Petite, because that's what this is all about, my CP Petite. And so if you didn't see that video, I'll link it down below. And I am so ready to get started. Y'all just don't know how excited I am when I get the notification that the box has arrived. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. See what's happening here. Let's start with this. Oh my gosh. Y'all, how are you feeling about Cloth and Paper and the pouches that we're getting every single month? I know one month we got the file, but these pouches, they're everything. And I tried to use every single one of them. Like, all my pouches have a different purpose. So I'm so excited. All right, before I get too excited, let me make sure that I get the what's inside card out of here. Okay, here we go. All right, so first we have our member access card. Next in here we have for September. Oh my God, CMP, y'all are moving me forward. September is not even August, but we already got to August. But I'm like, oh my God, the year is almost up already. So September, you have this little pop-up card. I love cutting this and just placing it in my planner, and you can use spotlight stickers or some of your dot stickers to cover important dates. But this card does this just like this, and it pops up, and you can also sit it on your desk. For those of you who might be new to Cloth and Paper, there's always a card that says what's inside. Thank you for subscribing to our July 2024 intention box. And there's a description of everything that's in the box, as well as photos of things that's in the box. All right, there's a dashboard. Okay. It says, awaken a sense of curiosity as you uncover new perspectives. The purpose of our dashboard inspires you to breathe in art through everyday interactions. Delve into creative angles even as you seek logical answers. And y'all see that? Look at that. So beautiful. This is the purpose of art dashboard. Y'all, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I think this was one of my very, very favorite items. All right, next we have our leather bookmark. Isn't this beautiful, guys? This says, with a gentle arch, our leather bookmark is a modern take on a classic fabric. From science fiction to history books, use it to mark where you've left off. And just so you know, let me show you what it looks like. So you can just, it's a beautiful bookmark. I've seen people have it on the, like some of the affiliates on the outside of their books like that. And I love this look. You can go straight there. It has tabs. It makes tabs, or you can actually use it for your pages. But isn't that beautiful? That's great. All right, I love it. The next one is the Read Sticky Notes. It says, some days are meant for carrying books around everywhere you go. Tuck our Read Sticky Notes into your pocket and track your progress, even as you're reading on the train or finishing a quick coffee break. So these are the sticky notes. And these are a little bit different from the ones we received before. I actually like the color of these better, but it has title, author, start date, and end date. It says, love takes off masks that we fear we cannot live without, and know we cannot live within. And it's a quote from James Baldwin. These are matte. You get 50 sheets. Okay, love that. Next, it is the left bound annotation notepad. So this is the annotate notepad. Look at this. You just tear it off and you place this in your book, and you can use a regular pen. You can use a highlighter. I'll put a picture up above us so you can see how I annotated a book. But look at this. This is sleek. This says notate CP, and I love this. You should feel this. Velvety smooth. This says, discover your inner world as you delve into others' thoughts with our left-bound annotation notepad. Write down quotes that move you or provoke deep emotions. Dare to ask questions as you leaf through the pages and add in snippets of interesting information. Now let me just show y'all real fast what I did with mine. If you are an OG to the subscription box, you might still have this black folio that we received from Cloth and Paper. And look here, I just slid mine right inside there, and it works just fine. Isn't that beautiful? Yep, there you go. So you can do the same as well. This is so nice. This is the kind of things that make you want to read. Okay, this is the Bibliophile 2nd edition inserts. So these inserts right here, this says to be read, and then you have some dates. But the inserts say, plan out your next book haul or trip to the library with our Bibliophile 2nd edition inserts. As you hunt for your next favorite story, mark the dates you plan to read in each column. Once you finish the last chapter, our reading log allows you to rate your favorite books and write reviews. So here we go. It says to be read. So you can write down all the books that you're planning on reading. And then after that, and that's front and back, and then after that there's a reading log where you can actually write the name of the book. You can write some information, and you can also score it. So don't forget, in the back there is always, they always give us a kind of like a little description or a little demo of how to use it. See, and that's how you can do stars. Now for me, I love printing out pictures of the books. I'll just put those on here. Now can I just tell you this? This is just a different way you can use this. Let's just say you're like, Lacey, I'm not reading any books. I'm not reading all these books. Cloth and Paper, don't y'all listen to this. But I want to give you a different way to use these if you need it to. Okay, so you can also use this to be read. I also looked at this as movies instead of to be read. Maybe you want to do to be watched. You can use a little highlighter, or you can use a whiteout and change that to be watched. You can write down the movies that you want to watch, and then you can come over here and change this reading log into a watch log, and you can actually put down movies that you want to watch. So all I'm saying is, if you're not big into reading, I don't want you to have this information and just, you know, not use it because you're not a big reader. Look for different ways that you can use this. And I'm only saying that because I might not be a huge reader. And so when you have this many sheets, just start looking at how can I use this differently than how they gave it to me. All right, then next we have our Luxe book sleeve. And that's what this is. This is beautiful. Look right here, it says Cloth and Paper. I love this color. It says, take your essentials as you explore corridors of books with our Luxe book sleeve. Indulge in a quiet afternoon, writing thoughts and planning out your reading list. Whether you're in a library or a local cafe, its sleek, compact design protects all of your notes. So you can use this to keep everything in. Let's just say, for instance, I take my book along with me, and I go ahead and take my annotated notes in here with me. I want to take my sticky notes in here with me. This is so nice. This is so nice, guys. I got some more things to add in there. Our library page flags. So these are the colors of our library page flags. It says, reminiscent of rich mahogany, walnut. In the pages of an old book, our library page flags can be used to highlight text, bookmark pages, and add an extra note. Aren't those gorgeous? Show you what the colors look like. And you can write on this with your Uni Pin, and you might can write on it with a regular pen. I haven't tried it yet. These colors are gorgeous. And once again, you can keep this inside of here. Beautiful. All right, and then we have a pen set. Move this over to the side. All right, then inside our pen set, we have two pens. One is a mile liner highlighter, and then one is a black pen that's 0.5. Now these mile liners just came out. Zebra just came out with these. They have two colors on the tip. So it says everything takes time to refine. This is why our August pen box comes with studio grade picks for first drafts and works in progress. Write down your ideas and feel inspired as you go through revisions, which I think that should have said July, but it's okay. All right, let's look at the pen, do a quick little pen test. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry that's shaking like that. And then for this right here, I did this last week, I think, for us. You have to just keep pressing it down until the ink comes. And then there you go. So you see that's purple and orange together. And so you can use this to annotate what you have. So I'm gonna put my two pens and my highlighter inside of here. Y'all, this is so nice. This is so nice. So nice. And then we have some cards. Everyone was saying, we want some journaling cards. I'm like, okay, y'all, she's giving us these beautiful cards that we get every month. But guess what? This month she heard what you said, and you have some journaling cards as well. Okay, Bibliophile. This is the card. Isn't that beautiful? So this is a reflection prompt card. Y'all, this is how you know you're getting old. So it says, rereading the same book unlocks new discoveries. Are you digging deeper into the story or uncovering something new about yourself? And don't forget, you have to peel this off. I'm not going to peel it off yet, but make sure you peel that off so that glass really shows. It's beautiful. And then we have a card. It says, not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it is faced. Oh, it's beautiful, and it looks like a library card. I love this. I love this. Okay, guys, this is a great box. It is a great box. Y'all know I want to hear what you think about it. What's your favorite item in this box? I think my favorite, it's hard. I'm going to be honest with y'all. This sleeve right here, this is really sleek, and I love how all the things that I have for reading just goes in here. So I think this is my favorite. This bookmark is my favorite. And then to be able to annotate the notes without messing up my book is my favorite. Those are my favorite. I want to hear what your favorites are. So I think this is a great box. Excited about it. I'm reading the book Atomic Habits, and so this is really cute going together with all the things in it. So thank you again for joining me for another video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are ordering from Cloth and Paper, I'm an affiliate, and my link and code SUMMERLACEY is below. Please make sure that you use that. That's how I keep getting sneak peeks, because of you. Thank you so much. Don't forget, take charge of your life one plan at a time, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.